Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Dior. I know I haven't talked in my videos in a long time. I feel like it's because my camera was way too far and I felt like the communication wasn't really there. But I recently ordered a mic and everything lit. In today's video, I'm going to be using Myo Makeup. It's Myo Makeup. I got it from Instagram. And I've been looking for a very pigmented eyeshadow so that it could be like very bright on my skin. And I found it. So I'm very excited to use this. As you can tell by the color of my sweater, I'm going to be using blue today. We're going to be doing a whitish blue makeup look. And I'm just gonna go step by step with you guys because I haven't did this in mad long. Like I usually just record and I just put some music and you know I don't really talk, but today I'm gonna really show y'all what I be doing when it comes to like, you know, my makeup. I know you guys are gonna ask me where I got the hair from. The review is going to be down below because I recorded a video for it. This is a 13x4 transparent lace body wave wig. It's 150 density and it's 20 inches. It's not even giving me 20 inches vibe. Like it's giving me 26, 24, but yes, 20 inches. And I made it into a side part. I really hope you guys like my hair. Shout out to Julia Hair. It's from Julia Hair. All the information is going to be down below. I don't know how I'm gonna do my makeup with my hair all up in my face, my little swoop all up in my face, but we're gonna try. So first thing first, we're gonna be using our Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer and we're just gonna prime our eyes. Guys, do y'all see this though? Like I'm gonna be doing every color and I'm gonna see if I could get a hoodie to match. Like I'm gonna be doing every color. I can't wait to edit this video. Like I really hope my mic is working right. You know, because if it's not, I'm gonna be tight. I want you guys to comment down below and see what colors together you guys want to see. Obviously, I'm gonna be doing white with each and every one of these colors, but like if you want to see yellow and blue or pink and purple, like let me know, you know, put some mixtures down there and I'll put it together. Oh, and by the way, this installation right here, this is my first time using Ghost Bond, the glue. I usually do the temporary glue with the Got To Be Free spray, but I use Ghost Bond and this is day 3 and it's still intact. So I'm gonna be gluing my wigs now. Who remember when I said I'm never gonna glue my wigs down? I'm crying. That's laziness right there. So usually I would put more eye primer, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. Okay, so for this video, I'm going to be doing this color right here. Let me show you guys. If it focus, I really hope it's focused because my camera is playing with me right now. It's blowing minds, but y'all get the picture. Like it's blue. I'm excited. I might do blue and white. Should I do blue and white? Yeah, we're gonna do blue and white. So we're gonna do blue and white, but I don't know how to say it, but the first color is going to be brown and then I'm gonna do purple and then we're gonna cut our crease and then we're gonna do the white and then the blue. All right, y'all just gonna look. See, that's why I don't be talking in my videos. So we're gonna start off with brown. Guys, when it comes to the first 2 colors that I put, I just go off of whatever comes to my head because honestly, some makeup artists, they be knowing what colors to put, you know, first and then second and then third. But I don't be knowing. I just put whatever comes to my mind. I'm gonna be mad if I record this video and my mic is not working. That's gonna be a fail. So after brown, we're gonna go in with purple just to put on the top. Like right here. Let me show you. I might go in with another color too. You see how there's layers? I don't know if y'all see that, but I see it. Looking at this undertone, you would have thought I was doing like a pink look or a purple look, but I'm dead doing white and blue. Makeup is really fire. Like I think this is my first time actually like blending this properly. You see, every video is something new. Like, you just gotta believe in yourself. I'm excited to cut my crease. To cut your crease, you're gonna go right back in with your Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and you're gonna cut your crease. So usually I be putting mad eye primer to cut my crease, but I be ODing. I just realized I don't have to put that much. So guys, I'm debating if I want to drag it just a little bit, because you know that's a whole nother different look. If I do that, I might just do that, or I might just leave it like this, like, you know. You don't think so? I don't know. This eye always gives me trouble. You see what I'm talking about? It's never identical, son. Guys, always try your very best to make sure that it's equal, because mine is not giving me equal vibes and I'm getting tight. But you know, always wait for the final look. Okay, so we're gonna be doing white and blue. Ooh. So after we put the, guys, I thought it was white, but it's not really white. It's like a silver, but it's still cute. So after that, we're gonna put the blue that we said that we was gonna put. So guys, change of plans. We're going to be putting this purple on the ends. So how y'all think this look? That's crazy how this was supposed to be a blue look. Makeup really will take you all around the world. So now we're gonna add our black liner. This liner is from NYX NYC, New York, New York. You already know. Now let me stop. So this is the only liner that I use. Who remember when I couldn't do liner? Growth. Recently, I told my Instagram that I was doing a free lash promo. That wasn't recently. During quarantine, it felt like that was a few days ago, but that was most definitely like 3 months ago. I asked them to send me lashes and I'll promote them for free, but all these lashes look the same and I forgot the packaging. So once I find out who lashes is these, I'll put it down below. This makeup look is low-key getting me tight because it looks like, yeah, most definitely, it looks like this look that I recently did. So that's how you know, like, I don't even be trying to make the same makeup looks over and over again. Like, it just be happening. I only picked this color because Mark picked this color. So guys, during quarantine, I ordered this lash glue from Amazon and it's by Kiss. And I'm having so much trouble because I've been using hair glue for the longest and this is just not sticking. So I'm just gonna let this air out before I get tight. And guys, this glue takes forever to dry. I just keep looking at this because it looks just like it, like I'm getting tight. Oh my god, we could finally get into the face so I could show you guys where it's at, where it's at. So so I could show you guys the new Fenty. I don't even know what this is. Oh, so we could finally do our face, guys. I finally got a contour. This is the Toffee Tease by Fenty. It's a bronzer, and it is so dark. Oh my god, it is so dark, and I'm so excited. So for foundation, we're gonna be using Born This Way Ganache. I think this is my favorite foundation. I don't know, I have a lot of fave foundations, but this is my go-to. Like, I always go to pick this one. Oh my god, I didn't prime my face. All right, so my poreless primer by e.l.f. Finish. So we're using the mineral infused. This one is actually clear. This is actually, I like this one better. So look, see, can't even see that. Okay, gonna let the primer sit. This makeup look is really nice, but it's dead giving me the last video that I posted vibes. Like, it's getting me tight. It's Ganache for y'all. Oh, and I don't put that much product anymore. I used to drain my face in foundation. I used to drain my face in Juvia's foundation. I should use the transfer OD. But you know, I let it rock. So what should I name this video? Step by step? Because we're dead doing step by step. Like, I'm showing y'all the process of me doing my makeup, you know? And you remember when I said I don't look at myself as a YouTuber? I really don't look at myself as a YouTuber. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm not a YouTuber. Maybe this makeup look won't look as much as the other one if I put more white. So I'm gonna see if I could put more white. I wish I didn't put my lashes on. This concealer is from Iconic, and I never used this before. I don't know if I want to try something new, but we're gonna try this out. This is my first time seeing this. I'm looking at it like, yo, where does this come from? Now for contour, we're going to be using Fenty Beauty. You already know. My first time not my first time, this is my first time using it on camera. Y'all see that? So guys, Thrive Cosmetics sent me this translucent powder, and we're gonna try it out today, you know, set our face. Guys, this looks like heavy makeup, but I didn't even, like, you know, I didn't really do that much, you know. All right, so translucent. I'm hyped because this is like matte, you know, and this is dumb oily. Oh, and it came with this beauty blender too. This is cute, you know, translucent. I like it. So lately, my nose look crazy. Lately, I've been going in this dark brown right here, but y'all already know that, but I'm talking in this video. That's why I'm telling y'all. So I go in this dark brown right here from Juvia's Place, and I use that to contour. This is cute. All right, so let me see what this is again. So this is from Kiss. I've been using it and it broke apart. So yeah, it broke apart. So I don't really know how to explain this. Like, you know how I got MAC NW58? Just get a powder that's close to your skin shade and, you know, just zap it in there to wipe off the excess powder. I hope that wasn't loud because I got a mic now, you know. It's the contour for me. So I'm just gonna line my lips with this e.l.f. pencil right here. It's the shade Black. Don't forget about under here. We're gonna go right back in. We're gonna put the blue and the white. So guys, now you're just gonna put some mascara on your bottom lashes and then you're done. So guys, this is the final look. I'm mad excited to use more of these colors, like this green and this yellow is calling my name. This orange and this pink is calling my name. Look out for more makeup looks, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Yeah, and big shout out to Julia Hair for sending me this beautiful wig. The review was going to be down below because I recorded that. Yeah, guys. Just a second reminder, this is a 13x4 transparent lace wig, body wave, 150 density, and it's 20 inches. So if you want to purchase this, all the information is going to be down below. Thank you so much for watching me create this makeup look during quarantine. You know, I can't wait to show my kids this video and be like, you know, it was a pandemic going on and I created this look during the pandemic, but let me not joke about that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Bye.